Good morning and welcome to your daily weather briefing. We have much better conditions out there than what we saw yesterday as that area of low pressure that brought the heavy rains and strong winds to our area has moved off the coast. We're going to see some pretty tranquil conditions today as we'll have high pressure building in from the west. Looking at the conditions from yesterday throughout the region, a pretty nasty day with heavy rains falling in the Wallops region and all up and down the southeast and mid-Atlantic coastline yesterday as that area of low pressure moved off the Outer Banks and out to sea last night. You can see over the last 24 hours, Wallops picked up 3.1 inches of precipitation, and this goes from 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. This morning. So we actually picked up a little bit more than that early yesterday morning, and total rainfall reached 3.93 inches at Norfolk and 3.68 inches here at Wallops. So they were about the two highest totals throughout the region, and also saw some of the strongest winds in the Tidewater region as well. Norfolk picking up a peak wind gust of 48 miles per hour. We maxed out at 41 miles per hour here at Wallops. Overnight last night, temperatures fell into the low 60s for many locations. A few exceptions to that: 67 degrees at Norfolk, 57 degrees at Baltimore. We were at 62 degrees here at Wallops. And yesterday, you can see those temperatures really didn't move a whole lot as we had those low clouds and heavy rain showers keeping temperatures down throughout the region. 71 degrees, our daytime high at Wallops. As of 9 a.m., temperatures generally running in the mid-60s throughout the region. 66 degrees under mostly cloudy skies here at Wallops. Upper level wind data showing the freezing level at 14,100 feet, and our winds out of the north-northwesterly direction at the 1,000 foot level at 19 knots, and generally seeing a northwest to westerly component all the way up to 25,000 feet, where we see a westerly wind at 72 knots. Taking a look at our satellite radar composite, this is the infrared satellite with radar combination here, and you can see really no precipitation in the area as high pressure is moving in from the west, and that area of low pressure is well out to sea this morning. But as we take a look at our visible satellite imagery, you can see where all the lower level clouds are setting up this morning, and we're going to see a little bit of clearing as we go into the afternoon. But as you can see, plenty of low level clouds still off to our north and west that will be impacting the area this morning and continuing to provide us with mostly cloudy to overcast conditions as we work our way into the late morning and early afternoon hours. Looking at our current surface analysis, high pressure building in from the west, and you can see that area of low pressure deepening as it moves off to the north and east, well out of the region currently. So not really seeing any concerns along our coastline except for some continued higher tides and a little bit of high surf out there this morning as well. But conditions will continue to improve for the coastal seas, as well as we see that area of low pressure begin to move farther out to sea. This high pressure area will provide us with some nice conditions today, and also some nice conditions tomorrow as we work our way through the next couple of days. We're going to see this area of high pressure really dominate our weather and provide us with some comfortable conditions today and some warmer conditions as we head into the day on Thursday. As you can see, by later tonight, high pressure still in control. We will see a very slight chance of a isolated rain shower or two early tomorrow morning, likely before sunrise or around the sunrise time frame. You could see a scattered rain shower or two. I think the chances are very low here at Wallops, as just the upper level energy is pretty weak with this system that'll be moving through, and we'll just see a scattered rain shower or two, probably staying to our south. So chances lower than 15% for that rain shower to occur tomorrow morning. As we go into the evening hours of Thursday, you can see this cold front off to our north at this point in time. We're going to see partly to mostly cloudy skies tomorrow. Winds will turn out of a southwesterly direction and provide us with pretty nice conditions. They'll be seasonable for this time of year. High temperature right around 84 degrees for Thursday. And then we'll see another weak impulse move through late Thursday night into early Friday morning, providing us with another slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. But again, this will be short-lived and not really bring a significant rainfall to our area for Thursday night into Friday morning. And chances are pretty low with this passing impulse as well. What we will see are the effects, the remnants of Hurricane Harvey start to make its way to the eastern portion of the United States by Saturday, and as you can see by Friday evening, that area of low pressure just off to our west and tracking toward the mid-Atlantic coast late Friday night into early Saturday. So Saturday looking like we'll see some pretty good chance of some significant rainfall in the area from this system as it moves through, and models are putting out over an inch of rain at least by this system during the day on Saturday, when we'll see pretty good chance of some showers and thunderstorms. So for the next 24 hours, we're going to see those clouds begin to break up a bit as we go into the afternoon today. Temperatures warming to around 76 degrees as we see a few peaks of sunshine this afternoon. We'll also see the winds begin to die down as well. Currently out of the northwest at 6 to 12, they'll be dying down to around 5 to 10 knots during the afternoon, and even less than that as we go into the late afternoon and early evening hours, where we'll see variable winds at 4 to 8 knots. Turning southwesterly in direction after midnight tonight, those winds will help to keep temperatures from really bottoming out this evening, and during the overnight hours we'll see the temperatures hold steady right around 66 degrees after midnight tonight, and then we'll see them quickly warming in the morning tomorrow, with again just that very slight chance of an isolated shower early during the day on Thursday. Tides are still running about 1 to 1.5 feet above normal, but they will be dropping to more normal levels as we get into the end of the week. Looking at the forecast for the next couple of days, again, Thursday, just that very slight chance of an early morning shower or two, but not even high enough to color our chart here, with percentages staying below 15%. And as we go into Thursday night, Friday morning, we'll have to see another weekend pulse moving through the region, potentially giving us a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm late Thursday night. And then Friday, we'll see a few showers possible late in the evening, and it will be cooler on Friday with a daytime high of 72 degrees. So for the next 7 days, expecting pretty nice conditions to wrap up our work week. As we go into the Labor Day weekend, we're going to see a pretty rough start to our Labor Day weekend, with temperatures warming into the upper 70s on Saturday, as that area of low pressure, the remnants of Harvey, begin to make their way to the mid-Atlantic coast. We'll see showers and thunderstorms overspread the region. Pretty good chance that we'll see a significant rainfall from this on Saturday. Again, a lot of the models are putting out over an inch of precipitation. Some are putting out higher amounts. So Saturday is looking like a pretty unsettled weather setup for us as we see those rain showers moving through the region. We are looking at that system exiting the coast during the day on Sunday. Could see a few leftover showers and thunderstorms early Sunday morning, but models continue to speed up this system and pull it off the coast by early Sunday morning. So Sunday may not end up being too bad as far as our weather is concerned here, with some clearing skies potentially during the afternoon, and seeing those temperatures warming as well, up to 82 degrees for a daytime high on Sunday, and pretty good weather set up for us on Labor Day as well on Monday, with a high temperature of 84 degrees under mostly sunny skies, and that nice weather condition continuing into Tuesday of next week with a high of 85 degrees under mostly sunny skies. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and 10 a.m. for your weather briefings. Have a nice day.